Hi vlog! Good afternoon to all of us guys, especially to all OFW na nanonood sa akin. Thank you so much for tuning into my vlog. So today, naisipan kong dalhin kayo sa aming forest area, which is yung forest area namin guys, is all pine tree and carob. And then madadaanan na rin natin yung cemetery ng dogs at saka yung Buddha na napakalaki dito sa forest. So bear with me guys and come, samahan nyo akong mag-ikot na.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Kung nakikita ninyo guys, meron tayo ditong Buddha kasi naniniwala yung boss ko na hindi naman sila Catholic, hindi rin sila Orthodox, pero napansin ko for how many years sa kanila, meron silang Buddha sa labas ng garden or even sa loob ng bahay. So ayan guys, yan, sobrang laki. Sobrang laki. Naglakad tayo ng konti guys, may makikita kayong sementeryo. Yan. Yan guys, puro sementeryo yan. So we have our own private cemetery dito sa loob na. Ito guys, si Heidi, mga aso to guys. Huwag kayong matakot, mga aso yan. Ito naman si Tommy. Ito naman si Lucy. Si Lucy guys is pusa. Nasagasaan po siya ng sasakyan. And this is Bruno. Yan, si Bruno guys. Nung umalis yung nag-aalaga sa kanya, parang nagkasakit siya kaya siya namatay. And this is Ako. Ito si Ako. Yan. Nabutan ko pa si Ako. Tapos ito, si Undra. Yung another dog na inalagaan ko rin guys. So ayan po sila. Ayan. Lucky! Yan. So guys, meron, ito yung mga nahulog na bunga ng pine tree. Yan, marami dito. Yan. Yung mga nahulog. Oop! Yan. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda. Dati sa Pilipinas, tawag dito, sa mga malls ko lang nakikita to. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng bunga ng pine tree. So ngayon guys, tagbunga ng pine tree. Kung pwede ko nga lang siyang i-box at inuwi ko na to mga pine tree. Yan guys.
Say what you wanna say. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Yan, yung mga bunga niya. Alam nyo, maganda dito pag Christmas, yung i-spray nyo siya ng gold or kaya silver, tapos meron na kayo pang decor. So, ayun guys, kung nakikita nyo, napakaraming mga nahuhulog. Yan. So, ito yun guys. Yan, dami. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and of course, thank you for my new subscriber. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayong mag small forest tour dito sa aming Bilyasa.